Hi everyone. Rusvan here, day 2 today. Excited to be here the second time. I told you that I will be here a long time. You will see me here every day. So yes, this is day 2, and what we're gonna do today is like yesterday. We talk a lot about me, about my journey. We took trades. We experienced some back testing today, but today we will gonna live stream the New York Open. We'll trade today, and yeah, I hope everyone is with me right now. Yes, I'm very excited. If you guys didn't watch the first live, is on YouTube. You can watch when you have the time. You can watch the first live, and right now in the second to do a recap what we're gonna do today. We have like 10 minutes until the market open. So yes, we will gonna be fast a bit, but we will talk about the markets, the overall bias. Then we will look into trades and see what we can trade today. As you know, it's very important to understand that everything on this channel is entertainment. Is not made in. I'm not a financial advisor, so take this as only as my opinion. So yeah, guys, excited to be here on this journey. Where, as I told you yesterday, this would be a channel who will grow from the bottom, from the beginning. We will do a lot of things from the beginning. You see that I'm not a perfect man. Maybe this is why you like my channel, because we make mistakes. We are not gurus here. We have some wins, but a lot of losses, and we document everything live around you guys. So yeah, I'm expecting today more love from your side, and be with me here as we catch yesterday. We are looking now a bit on Solana. If we have time, I will check also the Bitcoin and some Tesla. We love stocks either. But look, guys, until the market open, let's make a quick bias. So let's understand the market. Yesterday we were on live, and I told you from the yesterday live, because we took all this liquidity from up here, and we managed to take all this liquidity down here, around here, all these orders of selling, all these sellers or orders, we took them, and then price is going lower as we expected yesterday. The price to go a bit lower. We can watch. Let's make this green, because we were live when the price when the price break this area. Look, guys, exactly yesterday we were live. The price break this area on the New York PM, and I told you guys that because of that it's too much of noise here. But listen, because of that, because we swept this, we swept around here a lot of liquidity, and you see this candle that I told you yesterday, that this is a sign that sellers will be strong right now. And you see, we didn't took the trade because it's not our session, but you see how consolidating in uptrend and downtrend, and then a very hard move down, and right now we are even lower than that. Yeah, so we noticed that from the yesterday live. Solana price is a bit weaker than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was stronger than Solana. Let's see a bit Bitcoin. Let's see the Bitcoin. You know, I have a lot of noise here because, you know, I was making a lot of progress with backtesting in the past. So yeah, how you see the market right now in Bitcoin is very different from Solana. Bitcoin break this consolidation zone and break this consolidation with a retest and very good volume on the uptrend. Uh, very big orders. Also Solana, if we look to Solana, Solana didn't even break the consolidation zone, so it's much lower, much weaker as a price action. I speak a lot about Solana because I love to trade Solana, but also we can see that others crypto, same story. Even Link is a bit stronger than Solana and LTC. But you see, if in my opinion, the best price action right now is at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like, it's looking good in my opinion. But yeah, right now we are in an area of very strong sellers. I mean, I think in this zone will be a lot of sell orders, and if we don't manage to retest this and then have power on with some big orders and coming to 85, I think from down here we will go lower. But even at 85, guys, I told you yesterday that my bias is bearish on Bitcoin in the short term, like 1-2 months in the summer. Yeah. So today we'll trade. Let's see a bit of Tesla. Look at some stocks, because the amazing stuff that I found out, and I loved that when I started trading, it didn't have Tradify on checks. Right now, LBank has our partner that I told you yesterday. You know, my supporter in my journey. You know, I'm very glad that I'm in this team. LBank also having, guys, Tradify. You can trade Tesla, you can trade QQQ, you can trade everything Apple on LBank. Very good entries. Very slow, very small slippage, like very good price action on LBank. I tested. Right now, today we will trade on LBank. You can also check my referral LBank link. I will share with you in the comments. Why? Because it's like full of surprises, guys. You have on LBank 50% rebate if you are using my link and support me also. Also, you have a lot of good surprises if you are live right now with me and you are active. I will until the finish of the live. I will drop some love with you guys if you are active. Okay, so we are seeing here that we touched a very aggressive zone and then we rejected very fast. This zone I mark out in December 2025. This is a very strong zone about selling, but we are coming after a very bullish move. We can check with fixed volume area we can check. You see that we did here a fake out, then we break, and then we are at the value area high. So right now, for for Tesla to continue to be bullish, it needs to break and then do a retest with volume. We need to see volume. If the price getting weaker around here, I will expect to come back at least at the POC. I will mark out also the level. Okay, and we will watch this. But for today, we will try to trade on 1 minute. You will see my strategy. Also for live trading, for my journey to support me, guys. It's very important if you can join my Telegram. Why? Because I trade live there. I share with you my setups. You can see close my journey here on YouTube. Yes, you can comment. You can give me some love, guys. Give me some love. But for me to to have some feedback from you and be more close to me, it's important to join my Telegram also. Sorry for my noise. I like to mark out the zone and then forget to delete them. Yeah, we have like 2 minutes and we will be on market open. Let's see. Let's see how the price is moving. I will watch only Tesla and Solana today. I will watch Tesla for some stocks and also Solana because it's my favorite pair. It's my pair that I trade like 2 years and from the beginning. After I lose that money that we talked about yesterday, you can watch my my live stream from yesterday. Yeah, so right now we hit this value area lows zone, value area high, yes, value area low. We retested the POC and right now the market is like preparing to trade up. But let's see the open. Okay. We can wait on the 5 minutes. Also, guys, I need to become comfortable. Yesterday live was very fun for me. I was feeling very good for my first live stream. I told you yesterday that you will be comfortable with me because I will do that like every day almost. And yes, I have a bit of lag because I'm streaming from a small laptop. But guys, we are starting from scratch. We don't get excuses, guys. We just work and find solutions. If you are curious, what I'm marking here is a very interesting area of support. You can check all the time is reacting very good. The first candle after London session. The first candle after London session is a very good uh, zone of support. You can see how good the price reacting from here is like very good area of support. And sometimes I trade the breakout and retest of this area. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday I find out how to check comments, guys. So yeah, let's check the comments. For the first live I didn't know how to check comments on my live stream. Let's go. Let's see. Where are the comments? I hope I'm live, guys. I don't find the live. Why? Okay. I don't find the live. I don't find the live, guys. I hope I'm live and I'm not. speaking alone here, guys. I hope I'm not speaking alone. Yesterday I fucked up 3 times with the live. Just deleted 3 times. Come on. Where is the fucking live, guys? Oh, I hope I'm live. Let me check. Yeah, I don't find the live stream, guys, but I will find maybe on laptop. But let's see the open right now. We will check later. Let's see the open. So the most important thing is to mark out the first 5 candles. Let's get move this up here. The first 5 candles of the open, and then we will wait and see what the price is doing. It's very simple. I will show you guys. I have a bit of lag, but I hope it will be everything okay. Okay, so we are waiting to close to mark out fully the zone, and then I will share with you guys my strategy. Let's see. Let's see. Until then, I will share with you guys uh, my my QR codes on Telegram and also on LBank where you can trade with me. Okay, so it was the closure. You can see the first 5 candles, or also you can mark out the first candle of the open. This is it, but I don't know what is mark out. Let's see. Let's mark out. So let's make a quick recap, guys. Okay, it's like we need to mark out the first 5 minutes. It's more accurate on 1 minute than on 5. So after we mark out these 5 minutes, what I want to see, if the price is breaking this and then with volume retest the first 5 minutes of the open, and then I see volume, but only if if I'm seeing volume, uh, I enter the market. And then if I'm seeing breakout, retest, and volume back there, I'm entering the market bearish. This is the this is my areas. But honestly, I don't. My strategy doesn't work so good in the PA. In the choppy markets. It doesn't work so good in choppy markets. So you see that in Tesla we are in the choppy market right now. But let's see on Solana. On Solana we saw yesterday that we had a lot of bearish zones in Solana. Okay, this was a trade that I saw later today. It was very good trade, this one. Then he come back to the entry and then delivered like very good. But yesterday, guys, this was a very, very good setup. This one, very good setup. Right now, the price is trending down. Let's see if we marked out the first candle, after the London Open. Let's mark out this candle. I'm having like two different indicators, and that's why it's like a bit blurry right now. Let's see. Yeah, you see how good it reacted from that area. See, entry here, you could have like entry here, stop loss outside of the zone, and then look how good of a delivery is this. Like, I would have closed here to where, to where, very good to where. Okay. First 5 minutes of the, okay. So what I'm interested in, I will choose this area like area of support. And I want to see if price have the power to break down and retest this area with volume, with bearish volume, or we break out the resistance, retest the resistance with volume, and then I would took the trade. Also, let's watch if we marked out the value area high and value area low. Okay. This is, I think we don't need this. Okay. Let's mark out these zones for our confluences, guys. Okay, this with green, the high of the this is the high of the last candle closure on daily, and the low. Okay, we have a lot of noise here, guys. Let's delete this. Yeah, I would trade this if the buy opportunity would come. I will trade this until the low of the open of the closure. Sorry, guys, closure of London Open. I would trade until then. Let's see if everything is going good. Why do you have so much lag? I don't know, guys, but we keep working. We are here and keep working, and maybe someday in the next week, next month, who knows? If you know that code, maybe not today and maybe not tomorrow, but pero one thing is sure, I will be champion one day. I promise. I promise. This was like a UFC future champion that said that before even, win the trophy, win the belt. And yeah, for me, I'm saying the same thing. I will change the laptop. I will change my lifestyle. I will do it live with you guys. We will do it. We will win. Let's see. I will show you. I will show you here the LBank app. So yeah, here you can trade futures on Solana. Also, we have TradeFi. You can trade here gold. We have stocks. We have commodities. We have indices. A lot of people trade indices like US 300, like Nasdaq, everything. We have here. You can check, guys. It's very good app. I have live right now for my laptop. It's not from the app. So yeah, everything. Look how smooth. Okay, it's moving smoother than trading, you guys. Yes, and we will trade on this. If we have something, we will trade live with you guys. Okay, so this is the area of support. If we break this and retest, I'm interested for buy. Let's make the recap. These are, guys, okay, these are the open and the low, mark out the high and the low for the first 5 minutes of the New York Open. Then we are interested in two things. If in the London Open, and maybe even if, okay, let me rephrase that, guys. If the price action from the past it's not choppy, we are interested in breakout, retest with volume, and then we are target at least 2 hour. Sometimes little bit of that, sometimes like 1 hour, but really just sometimes. And then on upward, we need breakout, retest, and volume. On the retest here, we need to see volume on the order flow, and then we are interested in the trade. You can see I'm not counting that as a retest. I'm counting that as the area of my support, but you see that the price start move up. Right now, I want to see the price have volume and then retest in my area of support, see buyer stepping in with this indicator. Right now, we don't see buyers in too many orders in the market. But what I talked with you, what I said earlier is that if the best price is not too choppy like we see in Tesla, we are interested in trade. If we have moved like this, we are interested in trade the New York Open. If it's too choppy like this, if it's like this, like, we are not interested if the price is like this. Okay, we see that the buyers entering the market very aggressive. The sellers control a bit the move. The buyers didn't follow up. Yeah, and right now we need to wait, guys. We need to wait. Okay, let's make what I told you, that I will put my Okay, so if I find the comments right now, I hope I'm finding them right now. Let's find the comments, guys. I found my life, guys. I found my life. Okay, so I will why I don't let's see what happened here. Hmm. We rejected very aggressively the bullish bias. We reject this bias very aggressively. And right now, if we break this zone, the bullish bias it doesn't stand. Only the bearish bias. Let's see how Tesla is. Ooh, okay. Didn't have didn't had any trade here on Tesla. Too choppy for us, and didn't have the power here to sustain. Then we are here. Yeah, Tesla is not trading because you see the choppiness before, and also we are in a dangerous move with Tesla. We will try to trade today only Solana. We love to trade Solana, guys. Love to trade Solana. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so the with every minute that it passed, we see that the bullish move gets invalidated. Sellers are too aggressive here. Control the move. If they are doing follow up and break this level, make a break of structure here and we see a retest, back then we will trade the lower the price. But we need to see this. Right now the price is not too good. But yesterday, guys, if you follow my Telegram, yesterday we got very good price action. You see that yesterday we made like 30,000 dollars in like $300, guys, sorry, $300 in like 5 minutes. So yeah, everything was documented here, guys. We can see everything on my Telegram group. I'm expecting you to be here on Telegram because you will have everything here. Also, trade with me on LBank. LBank is our platform that I trade. It's very good in trading. Very good PA, price action, small fees, and the good part, guys, you have 50% back of the fees. If I'm trading like with 2-3 million in volume, this means like 4 and 5 trades with $100 stop loss. It means that I will get back at least half of what I'm trading. If my fees were like $200, I will get back $100, and this is amazing. I traded multiple millions on Binance, but didn't have any rebate, and I understand how important is it for you guys, the rebate. So in the description, if you click my link and make yourself an account, you will get 50% rebate, and also you will get $10 free. $10 just by signing the account. Yeah. Let's see the price. We see that we didn't invalidate the bullish move. We are like retested the low of the 5 minutes. Okay, right now, like the price hearing me right now. Okay. This is what we want to see, guys. This is what we want to see, guys. We want to see this price action, guys. We want to see this break of structure form. We want to see the retest. Also, with this move, the invalidates the bullish, so we will not trade bullish today. We will not take a buy today. If this candle closes here, if the candle doesn't close, ooh, what a sweep. If the candle doesn't close below this level, below this black level, okay, we will still consider. But let's see. Let's see. Very, guys, you see that even in the past, sellers were after yesterday after yesterday, then I told you that we get involved. We fucked up, to say like this, with a very uh, strong area, very strong sellers area. We we swept a lot of sellers, and then we expected the move to get down after that. So yeah, I don't know why. Look, this is my mistake because right now we didn't talk about a lot of about mistakes. One mistake that I did, and I see that I'm doing like constantly, is after I'm seeing that I didn't took a trade that I know I should have taken, but doesn't respect my rules, I get mad. I say, oh man, if I traded that, I would do like, you know, oh, let's see what happened here. It's not a retest, guys. This is not a retest. But let's see what happens. Okay, so officially we invalidate the bias bullish move. We will not trade uh, a long play. So I'm not like, sometimes I get mad that I didn't trade that I didn't took a trade even if that trade didn't respect my rules. But this is okay. At first, this is very okay for you. If you are respected your rules, even if you are feeling bad, I missed that trade, you didn't miss. You have been disciplined. Yesterday on our live, I saw the move. I could have taken that move, but I got disciplined. I don't trade only the New York Open. I trade. Oh, guys, I like this. You see volume here. I don't think this is a retest here. Is to the sellers didn't make follow up and then come back. It's like only a candle, but I see this volume. I see this volume, and I like to see if the sellers continue in this area. We are also in a PVG, fair value gap, so maybe this way, in this gap will be some buyers, some bullish orders. You can see them here. Let's see. Yeah, so it's very important. It's much more important to respect your rules, even if you have some moments when you're feeling bad. It's normal. It's very normal. But respect your rules, then fuck yourself up, over trade, over leverage, all these things, and then say, it's normal to make mistakes. No, it's not normal to repeat mistakes, because if you repeat a mistake, you are stupid. Remember this, guys. If you are repeating a mistake that you didn't want to, something that you are conscious that is a mistake, and you're repeating this, yeah, you are stupid. Let's see. My first ever live, guys. My first ever live in my journey, trading live on New York Open. Subscribe, be with me, like, comment, everything, because I'm at start, and I need some support from you guys. I will continue no matter your support, but yeah, it's very important to support me. Also, I got very good offers for you guys. I got my Telegram group is free. It's very, very, I think I bring a lot of value there. Also, LBank, 50% rebates in this. LBank is the partner of Argentinian football team, so we have a lot of, promotions, like if you are trading with $100, you will get $25 back, and if you make like 1K in volume, Yeah. So you see, guys, that I told you it didn't this move it didn't have been a retest, you know. It doesn't been a retest this move. I wanted to see sellers, very strong sellers, but I didn't see strong sellers here, guys. So this is why I uh, I told you that we should wait. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see other pairs. I will look them on LBank. It's more easy. I think it works pretty good, and even with my lag right now, it's like working very good. As you see, I think it's working better than the uh, trading view. Yes, even if this is a trading view, but yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, so you can download the LBank app. It's pretty. I have like a small laptop, and sometimes I have lag if I trade on browser. But if you download the app on desktop, it's pretty like game changer. You know, it's uh, very easy to trade, and you know it's moving pretty smoothly. Also, one thing that we're gonna do on live streams, but today we will try to trade something. But one thing we're gonna do on live stream is we will trade uh, Omni futures on LBank. It's amazing. Uh, because I'm on browser, I don't think right now it's going to work because of my lag. But guys, every small cap uh, meme coin that it's launched, it's all the time launched even on LBank, and you have the potential to make like 20R, 30R, 50R, 100R if you know how to analyze, and you know from with $1 I did like 10x in 2-3 minutes. So we will do that too, and you have the possibility to have like to burn only $1 or $5 or $10, not thousands of dollars, and see how your trade is looking and rolling. So yeah, good things Omni futures. But to 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 get there, you need first get into my description and click the link and make yourself an account with my name on my link, and you will get love with $10, guys. The community is small right now. I get for you $10, but in the future maybe we will. I mean, 100% we will increase that. But $10 free, like without doing like a KYC, only opening an account and be active on the live. I think it's a very good number. It didn't require you to deposit or something. Okay, so right now the right now we are in like a pretty choppy last few candles. We are like pretty choppy right now. Let's see. Look, yesterday, guys, I saw after I got my first winning trade, I saw that we are in a downtrend, and I said, okay, if we break this zone, I will took the trade. And in this area, because I saw that we don't have power, we don't have some volume, I said I will not took this trade because it is a possibility to make a double bottom with strong moves, strong bullish moves, and invalidate our trade. And as you see, this is exactly what happened. It's like, you know, show up in what, in 10 minutes, very strong move, exactly a W, it's exactly a double bottom. Yeah, the bearish move, the bearish trade, it's still open. It's still in the cards right now. It's still a possibility to take this trade if we have here a break of structure here, and then a retest. And I'm willing to take the trade even without retest, but I want to see that it's not only a sweep, and I want to see sellers that follow up on the move. Guys, we don't trade on only a retest. We don't anticipate the market. We are trading with confirmations. We are not like, okay, let's open a position. No, this is stupid. This is very stupid to open a position like this. No, guys, no. We are planning the move. I will have a YouTube video on this matter on YouTube today. Like after the live, like we will post it. So we plan the trade. We are looking for entries. We are looking for exits. We are looking for stop loss, where to put our stop loss. Then we are waiting for the price to confirm our direction, and then we trade. We don't trade only, oh, the price break did retest and I enter. No, guys, we need to wait. We need to get some confirmation. We need to see that buyer stepping in the market. So right now, if I'm not seeing sellers deciding, if I'm not seeing right now brave sellers, let's call them right here, right. We try this word. If I'm not seeing like brave sellers, I'm not entering. I want to see brave sellers. I want to see a very decided move. I want to see a continuation, and maybe I will find myself. I will find the setup to enter, but right now I'm expecting a sweep and then bullish move. So for now we need to wait. We have like another 1 hour for this to happen. So we will have the time, and we're doing this all on live stream, guys. Yes, we are doing this on live stream, guys. Everything is here, everything is documented, everything is like uh is live, guys. We are trading on New York Open, our first day trading New York Open. So yeah, very proud of us, guys. Okay, so I have some luck. I told you that I have a old PC that's running a lot of stuff right now, so we are grinding here, guys. We grind here. We are grinding here, guys. We move. We move. Okay, so market seems undecided right now, but we need to wait. We need to wait. Ooh, seems like the price want to invalidate our short too, not only our bullish move, but our short too. If we break this zone, I am really prepared to invalidate also this move and step away, guys, on of charts today. If this happen, if this is break. Again, what is this red uh, chart, and what is this black line? This represents this is like the uh, first 5 minutes of the open, the high and the low of the open. I use this like support and resistance area, and I trade like break, retest, volume, and trade, but only the right move, only the right move. Also, what I want to do on this channel, guys, is like a lot of mentality stuff, because these channels is not only for you guys, but it's for me to keep me what is the word, accountable, guys. I want to keep myself accountable. I want to speak about my losses. I want to speak about my wins also. So yeah, all all I'm doing this, all my content is not a financial advice. It's just my opinion, and yes, let's grind. Hmm. Yes, right now the market invalidates the move. I'm thinking right now if to take a buy, but all the time, even if my strategy is not saying that, it's saying that I not trade, I find solution, and I try to sneak up with some trades. But guys, this is not good. You need to stay disciplined, even if you want to trade. Guys, I want to trade with you right now. I want to show you that I I know my stuff. I want to find trades. This is why I'm living right now. But don't force trade, guys. Don't force trades. It's stupid to force trade. I'm not forcing trades even for you guys. So this is why I'm doing this, to keep myself accountable, as I said earlier. Yeah, just invalidates, and this is a fucked up price, guys. Fucked up price. Look, and I expected this because look how fucked up the price is. Very, very low volume today. Yesterday was a lot of volume. Today, very low volume. I'm seeing different stuff on Tesla also let's see the XRP. Okay, look this coin, guys, is looking more obvious, more bearish. Solana is like trading in a choppy market. So yeah, yeah. So in this situation, I also have another strategy, but I don't trade this strategy on New York Open. I let my New York Open to be only for this strategy that I showed you, and I'm trading like fixed volume area, breakout or retest on continuation, and yes, but on London Open more. Also, guys, is uh, is important to uh, as I said, to respect your rules, but to find yourself sessions, to don't over trade. Find yourself session and trade only in the sessions. See how choppy is this market, guys. Look how choppy is this. Ha! This market is like choppy as my lag right now. It's like terrible. I don't know why I have this lag. Okay, no. So yeah, so right now we invalidate this. We don't want to trade anymore. Not because it cannot move right after we move, but because it's not our strategy to do that. So yeah, uh, this was a very interesting move, and also you can see that the forming of this move, a consolidation. This was the manipulation, then retest, and then the uh, the delivery. I love to see this kind of move. If I was on the market, I took this trade with no worries. Even if at first right now I'm trading only New York Open. If I'm seeing setups obvious as this one, yeah, I would took the trade. Okay, so what we can do now, like yesterday, it was very good. I don't know for you. I expect your feedback in the comments right now. But we can do some backtesting. We can do some backtesting if my laptop lets me. I can do some backtest. So we could start backtesting in like 5 minutes. Okay, but until then, let's see a bit the stocks how they move. Okay, so invalidates the move here. But you know, I see that even the stocks, their PA is a pretty awful. Yeah, low volume today in the market, guys. Very low volume today in the market. Choppiness, nothing straight. Look here, but here right now, Apple looks a bit of bullish here. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we took this trade. Okay, so using this area as not this as our support. Yes, guys, this is a trade. I should have entered here. I see that it did it. There is volume in the trade, but not the it's not the perfect volume here, but it's kind of a volume. You know, if we are watching the move, even if it's slow move, we see that the buyers are dictating the move right now. Yeah, AMD, same story here. Nvidia, same story. I'm curious about this one. Oh, this one. No, it's same story here. Consolidation also, same story, same story. This is like a bit of, at least seems like a direction already. Uh, Seems like sellers are stronger than buyers, but maybe it just seems because right now in the market it's not volume, not volume in the markets right now. So yeah, I think the best thing we can do right now is like uh, starting to do some back testing, but not starting without telling you guys. You can check my description and you can enter my Telegram group for everything to see my story from from the from close, because I'm a person, I'm a guy from Romania who started trading after losing all of his economies, more than $10,000 in trade and in loss in one day. You can check my story. I'm pretty an underdog, as I like to call myself. And it's like for you guys to see that even if some of you are afraid or say that, maybe some Europeans that try to do this stuff, maybe they're not have the perfect background, perfect setup, perfect microphone, perfect laptop, perfect confidence, but you can, you can. I want to show you guys with this stuff, with this everything I'm doing, that you can. Don't get yourself excuses. You can find yourself a good partner that support you. As I found myself LBank, and also you could have success, but you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent, guys. We need to do this. What the fuck, guys? I have a lot of luck here. Yeah, you can check my Telegram group. Only four members here. Please check these guys. Yeah. Yeah. So right now, let's start to do some backtesting on Solana, of course. We love Solana. This is not our. Where is? Okay. Nothing happened. Pretty boring PA. I didn't. Let's find where is the. Yeah, I have a lot of lag right now, as you can see, but this is not stopping me, guys. This lag is not stopping me right now of, achieving my dream, guys. Let's let's get it. Why? Okay, we will do on this one. Okay, so let's close a bit of our indicators because maybe. Hmm, okay, this is the sweep that I showed you yesterday, guys. This is the one. Uh, if I'm seeing tomorrow also, but we'll talk about this, a down close candle and looks like pretty decisive like this, I will take a trade. I will take like a scalping trade like this. But I want to see the second candle that is very decisive and, you know, strong, and I will take something like this. But we will see tomorrow how we close the market. I'm really curious. Okay, guys, let's do some backtesting right now. Let's do some backtesting right now. Okay, so let's select random bar and let's trade, guys. Let's find some trades. If we didn't find the trade right now from the in the market live on New York Open, maybe we will find some trades on backtesting. Let's see. Let's trade. Hmm. Look, sweep, liquidity sweep, and then you can see, you can imagine this value area high, POC here, and value area low here, and you can see the retest, and the move seems pretty bullish. Okay, 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 didn't expect that. Very, very decisive move. I have like a lot of noise here. Let's clean it. You see that I told you about this zone is very important zone. It's like a zone of a lot of confluences and a lot of power here. Retest to this zone and you see if you are smart and trade this strategy, it's like having like 50% win rate, but if you know what to trade, we 50% if you trade if you know how to trade, if you are executing right. Look, if you let this until the open, you can be like almost 10R. But guys, one more thing that I'm come to my mind right now. Uh, the strategy that I have right now is like from YouTube. I adapted myself the strategy. I copied. I made myself a lot of backtesting and then come with this strategy right now. So uh, at first I traded like 5 strategy, all marketed as very good strategies, but when I touched that strategy, everything turned away and I lost a lot. So right now, I think I managed to understand that to it's very important to master your craft, master your strategy, master your thing that you're doing before you are entering the market, because you can have a very good strategy executing it wrong and you can lose a lot with a good strategy that is executing wrong. So yeah, let's see today markets. First 5 minutes, you see this reaction from this gap. Very small area here. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Okay, a lot of buyers stepping in. We didn't have the retest. We now have the retest, but we didn't have the power here. Then we break out the low zone. Look how beautiful retest here, but let's see. Nothing here right now. Yeah, and you see this break of this area of support. And you see volume, you see sellers stepping in, you see 2 candles, one and another close, and yeah, I want to take this trade. I will take this trade, I think, until this consolidation, but let's see the fixed volume area here. Guys, even if I'm moving a bit slow right now in the markets when we're live today, I could show you, but we didn't have a trade. I'm moving very fast, even with this small laptop. Yeah, so this is our first loss. Uh, what we did wrong here. Let's see what we did wrong. Sometimes it's just a loss. You didn't did something wrong. Wrong is just a loss. Uh, what we, what I see here, I see a consolidation. Then I like the breakout, and I see volume here, and I liked it, and I traded. But I could have been. This is why I take this trade. But I could have been more patient here. I could have uh, waited for the actual retest and see that sellers, they don't have power. And if this was happened, I skipped the trade. But just the loss, guys. This is the ones who we are learning from, and yeah, we're moving right to the next trade. Let's see what is the next trade right now. I'm trading, as you can see right now, only this strategy. I will show you even ooh, huh, a lot of bullish right now in the market, but I will show you my other strategy, of course. But right now we'll focus on this one. Let's mark out the high and the low of the previous candle closure. Mark out the high, mark out the low. Perfect. We use these zones like support and resistance zones. You can check for yourself, reacting very good the price from the low of the next of the previous day, or for the high, for the last high. A bit of choppy right now. Let's see if we will have some volume on the New York. Choppiness here, but let's move to 15 to be more okay. A lot of choppiness here. I remember this day, guys. I traded this day. Yeah. I remember this day. I don't remember the trade, but I remember specifically this price action and this breakout and everything. Yeah, I don't remember specifically the trade, but maybe I will do it the same. I'm very curious. Let's mark out this one. No, I want black. Let's see, guys. Break. This is the area of support for us. Okay, we're waiting. Get invalidated. I will take this area of support also for trading. Ooh, guys, I told you guys, I don't want to see this setup. Maybe it's a bug. Who knows, guys? Let's see. Okay, I not do this here. Here, no trade. I don't know why I traded. Let's see. Oh, it was like a very poor trade, guys. I don't know why I traded this trade. Okay, you see, guys, this mistake I was like made in March I was forcing trade, guys. This is why. This is the reason that I'm starting this, guys, because I want to improve with you guys. I want to see. I want you to see my losses, to see my mentality, to see where I'm doing wrong, when I'm doing right, and take that for yourself and make go to the next level. Yes, I'm conscious that right now I'm small, but everybody has room to grow. Everybody, just be consistent. Just be consistent. 1 second, guys. Another at least 20 to 30 minutes of back testing. Let's go. 1 second, guys. I was taking a piece, guys. A piece. Okay, so right now, don't forget, guys, my Telegram is in description. My LBank account, my LBank referral, where you can have like a lot of bonuses, 50% off rebate, and also you have if you join right now at live and you give me your code, your LBank code, I can get you $10 free only by making yourself an account. Okay, let's find the next trade. Let's find the next trade, guys. Ooh, every time, every time I can tell you, after the New York Open is choppy or doesn't have direction how it's happened now. Every time after the New York Open and New York launch or maybe at New York PM, a very strong move is happening. So yeah, just be aware of that, guys. Look, I told you guys this area that I'm choosing to draw is they are uh very good. You see, price retest reacted, price break reacted, price uh touch reacted. So yeah, it's very important for you guys to mark out these zones too. Very important. If you trade this strategy, or I think any strategy you are trading, is very important for you to have these ones marked out. So yeah, let's go to the next trade. I know I don't have the best resolution right now in OBS, but If I have this lag with this resolution, I doubt it would be better with another resolution, guys. Let's make some money, guys, and buy myself another lap, buy myself a fucking PC, not a laptop. Let's do it, guys. It's funny that we are expecting results like for the first time we are doing something. Right now, it's like my first time that I'm doing something, and I'm looking at numbers, I'm looking at likes. Come on, I'm at start, it's normal. But maybe it's human being. It's you know, look, we are trading right now the consolidation that we are in, but we are trading the consolidation at first, at the beginning of the consolidations, on this consolidation that we spoke here earlier. Yeah. So what I want to do, mark out this one, and let's see if we find something. Not like this. I want this, not this. Let's go. Okay. I did the mistake and but it's not okay. Let's do this. So uh, these are the first 5 minutes of the open. Mark them out. Okay. Very good area of support here. Breakout. I'm not evaluating this like a retest, but you can see what happened after that. If I was like having volume and I'm seeing that a lot of three candles closures in that direction, I could have traded. But guys, the last trade that we lost, these were exactly the same setup, but down trade. We didn't have a solid retest, but we had like some volume. I choose to take the trade and happened to be a loss. So right now, like the fun thing, the fun thing in trading is that you can have same setup on 2 consecutive days. One you can win and another you can lose. So it's very important to understand that nothing is like 100% in trading. I can, mm, let me rephrase that. Every move that you see is unique. I can see one move today and tomorrow be, something different. So we need to find some patterns and some ideas, some simple ideas, form ourselves for strategy, and trade that strategy in volume, not in short term results. So yeah, this is what I want to share with you guys. Okay, this was a triangle. It was break, and then we are moving up here. So my trade would be until there. I'm very curious if the market delivers until this one. Let's see if the market deliver. Yep, delivers the market exactly our setup. Yeah, so this was the trade, winning trade. We didn't took it, but Yeah, and right now, if I'm seeing this, if I'm seeing in this direction of consolidation, I'm expecting a downtrend. But yeah, I'm expecting a downtrend here, guys. Let's see. I will have a retest, maybe not retest, but yeah, you can see that the price is trending down right now. Yeah, let's continue, guys. One loss. Uh, we need a W, guys. We need a W. Price come back to, I expect this. Price come back to this bullish gap. Let's see. Let's see how is the second candle. Let's mark this out. Don't move something here. Mark this out. Perfect. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's mark out this one. That area that I talked with you about. Okay. A lot, choppy market. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, I don't want to see this short. I saw that this was a short, probably traded live. Let's see. We are at the we are at the support area. As you can see, if we break this support area, this would become a resistance. So yeah, let's mark out the first 5 minutes. This is mark out, and then we mark out this, and let's see. Yeah, I definitely trade this day because I see that it is already marked out. Yeah, and I saw that I traded a short. Yeah, I will use this as my support. Let's delete this. Okay, no, this one I will use. This candle I will use to be my resistance, not support. Sorry. Let's see what happens. Let's see the retest. Okay. Okay, guys. No, I don't know why. What the fuck? Why I did, guys? I was such a uh, weak trader. What the fuck, guys? I don't understand why I took this trade. I don't understand. I can't explain. Maybe just some backtesting because I don't think I would ever trade this on live ever. Like guys, I'm just very, shocked. This is very stupid trade. Yeah, I find some. I found. I find new things about myself. Yeah. So right now, mm, seems a bit bullish, but it's invalidated the move. So I don't trade even if it's some bullish move. You can see that is very good retest. Then you can see that it was a trade that delivered 3R. But rules are rules, guys. Rules are fucking rules. We need to respect the rules. We need to be smart enough to respect the rules, because these rules are made for us. It's not made to upset you or upset me. These rules are made strictly by, failing like a stupid man. I don't like to, continue losing. I want more. So, okay, what I need? I need some rules. I need to discipline to follow the rules. So, yeah, I need this discipline to follow my rules. Look how perfect we make this. Uh, we rejected this. We make like a fake rejection, and then we are upwards. Up to what? To the POC. Very, very, very good trade. Very good trade. Even matched with 15 minutes conferences. Sometimes, guys, my mistake is that sometimes I forget to mark out the 15 minutes conference. I think that it doesn't help me, but look, it helped you a lot. It helped you a lot. Even to look where is some low volume nodes, because the low volume nodes is the area where you can like deliver, You see here, the price didn't have the power, but if we break this and retest this would be a good trade. Let's see. Yeah, we didn't have the power to break the value area high. Now we do. Now we do. I want to see a retest here. I want to see a retest here. And then I want to see volume. Yeah. This is a very bullish day, guys. This is the reason why you need to check uh, the confluences. Very bullish day. Very good trades there. Let's see. Let's fix volume area this zone. You see how good is reacting from the POC. Very good reaction here from the POC. Oh, guys, this is very good. If I was in the market and I saw that in the 15 minutes, I would have choose this position, guys. This is fucking great. But it's not our trade. It's just a tenor position that you are avoiding because we want to be disciplined, guys. It's just a tenor trade that we look how he slips away, guys. But yeah, we want for us to be disciplined. So this is what it takes. This is exactly what it takes. Okay, retest. I'm not taking the short, but I'm taking the long if I'm seeing volume here. Hmm, love these guys. I will take the trade. I waited a lot, but even no, this one is our area. Very good. Oh, I waited a lot, but let's wait a bit more. Let's wait a bit more. And this is why we waited a bit more, and but our session is over, guys. Our session is over. We cannot trade after this gray area. We cannot trade on the white area. Our session is clear. Only the New York Open for 9:30 to 11 Eastern New York time. So yeah, glad that I didn't take this trade. Very glad that I didn't take this trade. It would be a loss. This is why we need, you need, guys, and I need also to include in our vocabulary this word. Let's wait a little bit more, because some trade you will obviously lose, but some trades you will just like mindfuck how smart you are that you waited a little bit longer. That, you know, is very important sometimes to wait a little bit longer. And I'm not saying that, you know, guys, that I'm not saying only in trading. You know for yourself in life how important is it. So yeah, you know, I know for myself that I didn't was, if I was saying to myself, let's wait a little bit longer, and I did wait to that 30K money, didn't blow them in one trade and didn't like trade, I could have been like right now very, very good, because right now I have the skills and I know how to convert that into money. But I'm saying that this is life. This was like my tuition fee. This was the something that I needed to pay. Maybe I didn't, you know, been here if I win. Maybe I did was in some beach and with some cocktail in my hand and like being cocky, and yeah, very important to take everything, guys. So for those who didn't been at my first live, guys, I come from a very, I come from a poor family. I got very motivated to become something in life, to improve, to be someone. From this reason, I got to win very fast in life. At 20, at 21 years old, I got myself 30K from sales. And I was so stupid that I play with that 30K until I lost them, or I lost everything. And I got in depression, all this stuff, you know. And I say to myself, okay, this is my tuition fee. I wanted this, you know, God give me this, you know, struggle to make me good. And I started Uber. I started from scratch, guys. Even if I like even if I was like very talented as a salesperson, when I made that money, I become very cocky, and I cut my relationship with with the people that helped me go there. And yeah, then started from scratch. Uber 2 months, then a lot of again in high ticket sales, then, you know, pretty good. Then, you know, I'm here and I'm documenting everything with you guys. I'm also partner with LBank. This is why you have the links in the description. It helps me to stay connected with me. If 5% of you likes me, guys, give me a like, give me a comment. I don't know how much of you are watching right now. Maybe I'm speaking alone, but I don't care. Uh, yeah, just, you know, like, just subscribe, just be here, and I will be here with you and improve myself. Yeah. Thank you guys for this opportunity to be here. But let's make another trade. We talked a bit, but let's make another trade. Let's try to end this live stream, guys. Even if we didn't have the opportunity to trade live, to took a trade, because I should I was coming prepared to take a trade, but the market didn't offer us a trade today. Even if we didn't have a trade today, we uh, I want to end this live on a green streak. Let's find some win here, guys. Let's win. Okay, I think I took this short setup here. Yeah, it's not important. Let's see. First of all, let's see how the daily looks like. Okay, so this is the that bullish day that we had. Okay, perfect. A bit of choppiness here. Let's mark out this one. I'm not repeating. If you didn't hear, if you missed my explanation with this area, you can check. Okay, good. Look how pretty good looks this area, guys, that I mark out here. Yeah, let's mark out the first 5 candles. Perfect. And see what is coming in our hand. No, I don't like this. I want to be close to this zone. Okay, mark out this one. Delete this one. Just noise. This is the high of the last day. Let's go. Okay, I want to see a retest after the boss, after the break of structure. Let's see. I want to see a retest. I didn't see the retest. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. Maybe you know, I don't trade. I don't take the trade if he's not in my zone, because a lot of times I got too excited and take this trade fast and lose, not once, not a lot of times. So this is why, even if I can't entertain you with a win that I want right now, I will not force a trade right now. Let's find another one. Let's find another one. If it's fine, us okay. If not, it's not problem. It's not a problem. We are not forcing trades. We are not forcing trades. Let's mark out. For everything I'm doing here, you can check my link into the description. Is my Telegram. You can be close to me there. and be close to my journey and, you know, support me. Some guys, you know, this is my Telegram is the way that you can support me, guys. When I was 15 years old, a lot of friends of mine did the live stream from because of the donations. They wanted donations, so this is why they did live streams. But yeah, my donation is my process, and my donation to you is my process, and your donation to me, guys, is to follow me, like me, be around me, support me it, at these hard times, because I want to be bigger, but I'm not. So yeah, be here, watch my live, watch my content, give me a like. Uh, I'm waiting you in my Telegram group. This is my support. This is my donation, guys. Okay, so let's see. We didn't mark out this, but it's already two upwards. Let's see. I will mark out this one. Okay, retest. Okay. No, we let's use our phrase. We need to wait a bit longer. This is, guys, the reason why. This is, guys, the reason why. And right now, I'm not. It's obvious why you should have take this trade. It's very obvious. I definitely assume this trade to earn minimum. And let's see. Another loss. This is okay. I will repeat this trade, guys, because it's obvious. This trade, you know, it's very obvious. I want to take this trade. Okay, my stop loss should have been a bit higher. Another loss. Two losses for today. Okay, you know, the trade was like, why I took this trade, guys. Let's speak about this. The move was pretty bearish. I saw this a bit of consolidation. I saw this a breakout, you know, because it didn't clear this zone. Probably I uh, uh, I worry a bit. I was like too fast in the trade. I was, you know, FOMO trading here. Then I saw that took my stop loss and tried another one. Stopped out. So for my journey, for my trading, two losses and I'm out. You see that this trade you took very close of the market closure, and this one is like wrong 100% because you have no way in my rules, in my correct rules, to trade this one. But we are doing mistakes, and live, if I was doing this, I'm taking my notion and I'm writing, okay, the mistakes from the last week. I am taking a trade that I shouldn't be taking because I didn't take the trade in my session. And the second, that I value, you know, I mistakenly entered too early. This is happens. I'm not saying anything about this trade. This one was good in the session. Okay, I mistakenly get uh, too rushy, but yeah, it's happens. It's not wrong with that. You know, every trader, good trader, doing that. If he says that he's not doing, he's like a creep. He's like a impostor. He's like a very You know, don't watch guys like this. But yeah, it happens. Loss is just a loss if you learn from it. And yeah, I wanted to close this live, guys, on green vibes, but we're not closing on red vibes either. Even if we didn't have had uh, even if we didn't have like uh, good PA today, if you're looking to this PA was like awful PA, guys, look, awful PA. We we didn't have what to trade. Look, choppy markets. We don't have what to trade in these markets. So yeah, one thing that I learned from this live, guys, I learned that I've improved as a trader, guys, a lot. Like I was thinking what trades I did in March. Come on, I don't trade like these trades anymore. So yeah, this is why I'm documenting this journey. I want to see how you improve. You know, I want to see how I'm improving. I want to see that I'm making steps. And yeah, I hope that you like this live. You will see me every day, maybe every day at 4 o'clock Eastern and also 9 o'clock New York time, but it's not almost. Maybe some days it will be a different time. I will announce it in Telegram, so be there. Also, join and support me by making an account so I can give you that free $10. And thank you again, guys, for being here. I will see you tomorrow and enjoy this journey with you. Thank you again and be safe.